Previously on the Crispy Marcus YouTube channel.
She has been officially sold for this car.
I bought a Camaro SS. Anyways, I know that I gained most of my following and most of my people who are watching me and supporting me are fans of Dodges and Mopar products in general, but I had to switch it up. As I was saying, I was wanting to switch it up for a long while, but let me show you something. Let me show you something to you. This is a 2017. This car, as a 2017, only has 9,225 miles on it. So that, mixed with a lot of other things, it was a deal that was too good to be true. So I want to let you know, even though I know I've been saying this, I know I've been saying that videos are coming more often. I know I've been saying that. Now that I have this car, I hope each and every one of you guys stays sticking with me and stays tuned in for each and every video. But the sky is the limit with this thing as far as videos gonna be popping out, because I got tons of ideas. Again, this video was only meant to show what I got. So until next time, this has been me. My name's Marcus. Love each and every one of you guys. Peace.